Bounce my head on the grill.
There you go.
There.
Now you look like a real...
Hey, look! Burning!
Don't I look happy? Do I look...
You look like a cowboy out in the wild roasting your marshmallows.
Do I look happy?
No, you look sad. Terribly sad.
Mine won't even roast.
Blow it. You better blow that off.
Yeah, it is.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go.
Gonna turn it over. Blow it off. That's
Blow
gonna
it
be
off.
charcoal.
Mine is going down.
How do you put them in your
Stick.
mouth? Or what do
You wait till they come a little.
I got a picture of that one. Danielle, you're in the way.
Are you watching me?
Oh, slide it the other way, otherwise
Come
you're
over
going to
this
lose
way.
Oh.
There you
So I
go.
have to sit down there.
On the other side of Grandpa. The other side of Grandpa.
Right here. Just that rock is over here. I like it over here.
That's the dangerous way of doing it.
No, not down there on that.
You know it. I wonder if I got just about all there is to get around this rock.
You want me to look? There was nothing in it?
I didn't see much in it.
Better for all this silly looking hat. Yeah.
Can you picture anybody going on a vacation like this and saying they had fun?
I think we're having a ball.
I'm talking to the camera.
Oh.
It's just out of character for me. I don't do stupid things like this. I suppose I ain't even had a drink. You going on the tree?
No. Flying under the tree.
Well, I'm trying to find out what Joan did with my cigarette.
I told you they're in the tent.
What you need?
They're in the tent.
What? You're in the tent. What's in the tent? Here, let me button you.
Hey, I know a good poem to say now, Danielle. Peter Piper, Pumpkin Eater, or no, Peter, Pumpkin Eater.
I don't like him to keep her. Pumpkin shell.
If he looked like this, I don't blame you, huh?
In the sack.
Huh?
Raining?
Yeah.
Go close up the can.
He's in there.
Well, you can still put down the windows.
Oh yeah, I guess better.
A vacation like this came once in 60 years, and I'm glad. Huh?
You are 60. You're 60.
What?
You're 60 years old.
And then we'll all raise up at the same time. Danielle, get off the table.
I'm going.
Hold this, Michelle. Oh, from below. People fall off.
Oh.
If you get me in that thing, you'll get me looking as stupid as always.
Come here, Michelle, and hold this up.
It's fine.
Right there.
You can brace it if you want. I haven't got that one up yet. Don't pull it.
Don't push on it. Okay.
Now what? Raise?
Pray.
Huh?
Michelle, you shouldn't have let that turn over. You shouldn't have let that turn over.
I wasn't. Danielle was. Danielle moved. I'm praying. Ugh.
That's it.
That's all you can go to?
That's it. Quit that. We'll find something.
What's this? Now, where do you open it? Where do you open it? Ow!
Not bad at all.
Well, that's got a floor on it.
A nice
Well,
waterfall.
I thought you was asking about the plastic. You thought there was plastic under that yet?
There normally is.
Pretty nice.
Why do you why do they have it? In case it rains.
Here we can get the cup.
Gee whiz,
There really is.
yeah.
We put 2 cots in here.
You don't even believe how much room.
Come and take a look.
Go take a look. Turn it off.
Take over, Bob.
John, it just keeps jerking. It goes bit.
Oh.
See?
It's going.
The tape ain't. Well, what was that noise you heard
Thank
when you
you,
first
Michelle.
did it then? Huh?
Yeah, it's gonna be
Turn it off.
Thank you.
Going now.
okay.
Fine. Oh, there's a lot of room in here.
I think I just need to go.
If it says light, it won't come out, Joe.
Huh?
It won't come out at nighttime. It's dark.
I thought it might with the fire.
What is it? Can you see anything that's going on? Just
Oh,
just
yeah.
silhouettes?
No, I see the whole thing.
It should come out with the campfire. It should show it.
Well, you need about a 3 lux, but they cost too much.
We'll try some of it.
Yeah.
Just see, I can't picture it really being that.
Dad, take off a sliver of
Why
this
don't
for
you go
Danielle?
get the forks?
Well, you're not taking anything.
You too.
Oh, is it going?
Sure.
What do you want a sliver of it for?
Can't even hear it.
For me.
Usually you can hear it go.
I can hear it.
Can you?
Yeah, it's going.
Don't play with the fire.
Why not?
I know. I'm having fun. Ooh, ow, it hurts.
Yeah. And hand me that sliver.
I'll give you a different one.
Get you a good one. Oh, that was good.
Mommy, I got myself.
Poor
Shout, will you step that outside a little bit, Karen?
What? I don't understand what you're saying.
Yeah, watch the smoke finger.
Hot?
Yep.
It's fine, honey.
Let's see.
It's just getting black.
Let me know, You took my flame. Yeah.
You still got light written up?
No, not now.
It don't?
Uh-uh.
Maybe it just goes on to tell you, and then you're supposed to have enough sense to know that it's, you know.
Yeah, well, they all moved away.
Huh?
They all moved away.
I think probably it just warns you. You need light, and then it goes off.
Simple.
Huh?
Yeah.
You like that?
We need to come inside first.
Nope.
Well, I'll be darned. Hey, that's good. My legs are all white.
That's it.
Oh, don't hit me.
Your legs flip here over and down. Carefully, I'll pinch your fingers. And this flips and then opens up this way. Slides through.
Get off.
Come on, you're not getting anything from there.
I am too. Turn around, you guys, a minute. Where's Brad? Oh. Oh.
Yeah, peace. Be careful.
Are you getting this?
Huh?
Did you get us?
You bet. She got pictures of
I
that.
sure did. That was nice, too. Get it? There you go.
Look at the chest back. Jimmy.
I have him and Jody.
It's alright, the wind's blowing.
No, I do. I do.